I'm telling y'all real facts with real life tears in my eyes, man. If you are not from Chicago, or if you live in Chicago, stop thinking every fucking gunshot going off came from your motherfucking ops, man. It's called mercenary groups, nigga. Google it, nigga. The police, nigga, hop in their cars, nigga, hoodie up, paint their faces, nigga, and ride around and shoot us, nigga. And then you be like, oh, the stones just came through here blowing. I'm finna go slide. So you go back on the stones and shit and you blowing at them, nigga. That's how they do us, bro. That's on my son, man. That's on my son, Joe. And I really just put my whole life on the line saying that on, but I don't give a fuck, though. I don't give a fuck, nigga. And I'm on my son, I'm not. Because I'm going to kick this truth. I'm going to kick this motherfucking truth, nigga. Just like they killed Zach TV, nigga. You know, ain't no streets kill Zach, nigga. We love Zach in Chicago, nigga. He got killed because he was solving the Kanika Jika's case. Man, y'all said this lie 3 times. I ain't lying about shit, nigga. Facts, nigga. And the government killed FBG Duck, nigga. And I'ma say it clear, nigga. Ain't no niggas do it. If a nigga did it, a nigga would've got caught, nigga. Niggas finna be Christmas. Y'all still don't know who killed bro? It's finna be Christmas. Y'all ain't got a suspect, nigga. Fuck out of here, nigga. He got shot, 2 trucks pull up, 4 shooters, nigga. Y'all said 60 shots went off, nigga, and y'all ain't got a suspect, huh? It makes me think who was all in on Duck getting killed, nigga. Shit get deep, nigga. That's why I don't trust no motherfucking body, nigga. Even my mama, nigga, I trust my mama to a certain extent, because I understand this motherfucking matrix, boy. Fuck is you talking about, boy? This shit real out here, boy. When you got that influence, and you about to stop some shit that's fucking with the agenda, boy, they gonna get you out the way or try to. Be it jail, be it lying on your image. Nigga, I wouldn't be shocked 3 months from now they make up some shit on me. Rashad Jamal as, he's gay. Rashad Jamal, he has sex slaves. That's what the fuck they do, nigga. Soon as you get to getting real, nigga, they try to quiet you. I'm raw, nigga. That's why they never signed me in their music industry. Nigga, I'm one of the coldest rappers in my city, but you ain't never heard of Jetta. You ain't gonna hear me, bro. You ain't gonna hear me. I'm too raw in my music. I'm the same way when I in speech, nigga. Nigga, 444 ancestors in this bitch, nigga. FBG Duck was killed by the fucking government. There y'all go. It's solved, nigga. It shouldn't take that, nigga. Niggas scared to say it, though. Niggas rather vlog about it and keep the beef going, nigga. Why? My big brother, which I'm not gonna say his name because I'm not gonna put nobody in harm's way. I'm already putting myself in harm's way. You feel me? But I've seen people I know personally, they in here. I see them commenting. I'm not gonna, like I say, my brother Lil J, he's my man. I'm not gonna say her name. I know my brother in here. I'm not gonna say their name. But on my son, they know I ain't lying. Nigga, I'm not lying. This university is to teach the facts about what's going on in the fucking cosmos right now and how these fucking human beings have enslaved us. Ain't no need in voting, ain't no need a motherfucking marching. Niggas need to grab their motherfucking guns and they can take to the streets, nigga. Cause they not gonna stop, nigga. They just killed the nigga in Philly. I see niggas still marching. Nigga still marching, nigga. Get this knowledge of self, bro. Get this knowledge of self and prepare. We don't want war, we want peace. But we can't keep killing each other. Right? And that's what they want. So that's why when FBG Duck did do the 2020 vision thing, now all of a sudden he get killed. And niggas didn't peep that though. Niggas fell for the Medea bullshit. You know, they be paying niggas off. They paying out a little local vlog. Like, I'll give you. And make it seem like, nigga, everybody's selling their magnetism to these bitches, nigga. Because remember, your soul magnetism, nigga. But I'm from the streets, nigga, in the city. And I didn't play it like that. I'm telling you right now, any real body from the streets gonna tell you, you're not killing nobody downtown on Oak Street and getting the fuck away. But I don't give a fuck who you is, nigga. And if niggas trying to say Dirk did it, Dirk ain't do shit. Nigga, stop putting them people in it. They ain't got nothing to do with it. Stop saying this set did it, that set did it. You feel me? None of that happened. But they want niggas to keep doing that so the war can keep going. Yeah, they did, nigga. We finna go slide. How about we say, you know what? How many more of us gotta die for us to just go slide on the real ops? Let's go slide on the real ops, nigga. Because we can walk up all day and say, can you teach us our real history? And they gonna say no. So let's go slide on the motherfucking real ops, nigga. Or we can slide this way by gathering like we is right now, exchanging knowledge of self, building our own shit up and saying fuck them. And when we say fuck them, they gonna come on their war shit because our oppressors don't understand nothing but that. All our oppressors understand is motherfucking war, nigga. We steady trying to shake hands with motherfuckers who they took this whole planet from us. If you black or Latino, this is your fucking planet, nigga. The black woman was first. The Latino woman was first. They God, nigga. And they created us. And then we created everything else. And you steady trying to make a leeway with these human motherfucking beings, nigga. They ain't forget shit who the fuck you is, nigga. This is why you will never be a citizen in a republic. So what is you voting for? How many times you done voted and ain't shit changed? Fuck out of here, nigga. Because this system is against you. Facts. Facts. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the shit out there. I'm tired of niggas vlogging about the shit. I don't support no negative energy. I don't support racism, none of that. We only state facts in this university. FBG Duck was not killed by no BDs, no GDs, no none of that. He was killed by the motherfucking FBI to keep the fucking war going on in Chicago. Just like them bitches hop in these cars, and to all my young cats from Chicago tuning in, I'm telling y'all what they do. Yeah, you got your people that's shooting at you that you in tour with, but all them shots and killings ain't them niggas you think it is. It's the government, they mercenary groups, nigga. How you think everybody getting headshots? Nigga, you think that's niggas? Niggas ain't never been to the range. But niggas is gonna take the clout for it, right? Because we've been programmed like, hey, yeah, nigga, we did that. Niggas keep catching headshots, nigga. Niggas better start paying attention how everybody's getting headshots. Niggas is not that accurate, nigga. That's military training. Nigga, military training. Nigga, you better look at how people are getting killed in the city, nigga. Niggas catching headshots from across the street. How, nigga? Nigga ain't never been on the range. Military, mercenary groups, nigga. They keep us warring with us. Nigga, they killed Zach TV. They killed Nipsey Hussle. Just like they killed motherfucking, they just killed FBG Duck. Rest in peace, man. And that's why the crime ain't solved. And after this live, if all of a sudden the crime gets solved, you really know I ain't motherfucking lying, nigga. It's 600 motherfuckers on here, nigga. We ain't never had that many motherfuckers. Nigga, I ain't gotta lie about shit, nigga. All that BDGD Vice Lord shit, man, throw that shit out the window, nigga. We gods, the black and Latinos, we are the originators of this planet. This is our planet. We was here first. This is a genetic fact. This is a genetic fact, nigga. This is a genetic fact. We have carbon, dark matter energy beings. The black woman is God. The Latino woman is the black woman. That's the supreme goddess. She manifested herself out of dark matter energy and then created us, the God race. And then we manifested and created the whole universe, nigga. Human beings, which are Caucasians, Asians, Mexicans, and Dravidians, and Arabs. This is not being racist, but they are mixed with dog DNA, snub-nosed monkey, the pig, the lemur, and some of our DNA, nigga. And that is a genetic fact. You don't like it, get the fuck off my live. I don't give a fuck. I'm stating genetic facts. Genetic facts. Parthenogenesis is what it's called. Parthenogenesis is what it's called when a species can reproduce without a male. So you could be here like, what you mean? Because that's how I go every time that gets said. What do you mean the black woman God and they can produce without? They can, nigga. Look up mitochondrial DNA. This is the awakening. These oppressors have had us held down for 500 years. That shit in this year. We being activated. They using people like me, others, the ancestors, man. And we all is being revealed 2020. All is being revealed, nigga. All is being revealed. All of it. Facts. Real life facts. Frequency war that we've been living in since they came and landed on our shit and took this motherfucker from us, nigga. And that's what really happened. That's why them human beings, and this is not racist if you're a human being, your guys got a spirit and no soul. Facts. That's why your ass can't take no sunlight. This ain't dogging you. This is a fact. Y'all catch hypertrichosis and hair grow all out y'all face because y'all have animal DNA. That's why they call mammals, nigga. We not no mammals, nigga. The blacks and Latinos, nigga, we are nature. We was here first. We created one multiverse and filled it with 9 universes. Each universe has 999 galaxies in it. Each galaxy has 999 planets in it, and each planet has 9 realms. True life facts. This is what they hid from you, black man or Latino man. If you want to call yourself that, everybody, I'm African American. He tripped. It's 700 people right now. So many of y'all is new. Who the fuck is this nigga? What do you mean then? Okay, since you are African American, do you know where Africa come from? Because Africa was named after Scipio Africanus, and that's a Roman general that killed your ancestor Hannibal, who was a black man like you. Latino black brother. So when you an American, you're naming yourself after Amerigo Vespucci.